Always thrilled to host NewFronts, and today for us it was all about our audience. We have a maniacal focus on putting our audience first, which we think is really the secret to our success. So today we talked about that obsession with our audience and how we prioritize our people, we prioritize platforms, and we prioritize purpose in all of our storytelling. So that was the through line to our whole presentation today, and we hope that was the takeaway for everyone who attended. When we talk about prioritizing our audience and putting the audience first, one of the things that we're able to do so effectively, just based on the scale of the 4 media brands that are part of Group 9, is to really understand what our audience is interested in. So when we take a look at an aggregation of all of the content that we produce on a daily basis, we're able to draw some fascinating insights on what interests our audience, and that's actually what informs our editorial operations. So if we see that particular story ideas are spiking really high with particular segments of an audience, we're obviously going to produce more of those type of stories. Conversely, if we see that there are some stories that are lower performing, we try to figure out ways to make them a higher performing element of our editorial operations. So knowing that we had such a sophisticated approach to insights and how we run our editorial operations, we started to take some of that machine learning and that artificial intelligence and apply it to how we're able to work with our brands today. So what we announced today is our ability to bring our Group 9 Insights Analyst into our advertising conversations and help advertisers better connect their audiences with our audiences through our insight engine. When we're working with advertisers, well, we have incredible reach. What we think is so much interesting right now is engagement. And beyond the reach that we have across our 4 brands, we have some of the leading engagement metrics across digital media. So when I'm having conversations with advertisers who are looking to connect their messaging with our audiences, we start at a place of what's the conversation you want to be part of. And then we identify either the brands or the series or the shows where we think those conversations are already happening. There's not really a one-size-fits-all approach to working with us from an advertising perspective. Certainly we do a lot of custom content for brands, branded content across all different platforms. We also have the ability to bring in top talent into our show programming. We also have the ability to work with our advertisers' own advertising assets and contextualize those assets so that they're in the tone of voice, they're in the format that our audience is used to seeing. So whether it's taking a movie trailer and contextualizing that in such a way that it looks like or is a NowThis story, those are some of the really cool ways that we're working with advertisers today as well. When I think about some of the verticals, I mean, we are definitely building a lot of momentum in the entertainment business, a lot more momentum in the CPG business, which I'm so thrilled about, a fair amount in auto. We featured today an amazing success story and case study that we have with Samsung, a relationship that continues to build. Obviously, we work with a lot of endemic brands with each of our media companies, so food and beverage and travel with Thrillist, obviously the pet care brands with Dodo and so on. But with Seeker, we're working a lot more with B2B companies in the technology space who are interested in being part of those conversations that are all about harnessing the curiosity that we have today. So it runs the gamut. It's hard for me to find a vertical or an industry that doesn't apply to the work that we're doing here at Group 9.